Each day that sun gets a little higher in the sky. When it gets to about right there, we'll be back into some nice warm weather again. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Two Brothers Outdoors. I'm Rick. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. We are struggling this winter. We have gotten way too much snow. I'm afraid that this last snowstorm dumped 12 inches on us, and we're never going to be able to get up in the woods until spring thaw. I'm trying to assess what logs we have here. Things in the crafter shed are getting low. Got a hard maple here and a hard maple here, but these are veneer. I have a ambrosia maple right there. This one's a hemlock. And I got a yellow birch right here. White pine. I think what I'm going to go is I'm going to go after the ambrosia maple right now. See if we can get that on the mill. We have one maple over at Tim's. That's it. That's it. That's all we have in hardwood left. And we're at the end of January. So we may be running into a small problem before this winter's over. Let me see if I can get to this log and get it out of there. And we'll go from there. All right. This log is probably a good 30 feet back here in the snow. I think it's going to be shorter to come in on this side. Got a pretty good snowbank right here. But the log arch will back over just about anything. Let's see what we can do here. Problem is, the log arch can back over anything. Four-wheeler, not so much. Let's see what we can do here. Can always find the logs by looking for the humps in the snow. I'm going to tell you the truth, guys. When I built these log arches, I had no idea the pounding these things were going to take. Whew. Usually we get two kinds of winters here. They're either cold and no snow or not a lot of snow, or they're not too cold and a lot of snow. This winter's been just the opposite. This winter's been cold and a lot of snow. And the cold is kind of taking my breath away. I'm just getting over being sick. Poor mills haven't run in 2 weeks. Oh, look at the snow. I just tried to drive around the pond with a four-wheeler. I made it. That trail was pretty packed down, but I just barely made it. There's no way we're going up in the woods. Not unless we get some rain or something to pack this stuff down. This log looked a lot bigger than this back there, didn't it? Whew, not much of a log at all. Might be wondering what I'm doing. These mills always cut better with the small end of the log towards the mill head, especially if you have knots in them. Tried to explain that to somebody on a forum the other day, that if the knots or the small end of the log is towards the mill head, instead of the blade trying to go over the knots, it catches in the crotch of the notch and keeps pretty level cut. Matter of fact, we don't have any trouble with humps at all. But everybody had a different idea. And my idea of putting the small end of the log towards the mill head didn't seem to be very popular. I guess they'll learn the hard way. These tongs that we're using now on the logs, on the log arches to pick the logs up, boy, they are a big time saver. All right. Let's get it backed up on the mill. All right. It's just a little cold out here. Frost moves everything. We will catch you on the next one. Thanks for coming along now.